So today I am going to make some eggless and dairy-free muffins. Yes, I omit my sour cream and my eggs, and instead of flaxseed, I use applesauce. So I have 3 small bananas, overripe. Yes, I was gonna use 2, but the yield is supposed to be 1 cup. And after I smashed these 2, it still wasn't a whole cup, so I had to add the 3rd banana to make it 1 full cup. Here I am checking the measurements and adding the 3rd. So this is why I keep my bananas after they're overripe to make banana bread. One of my favorite desserts. Yes, and my kids love it. Or the muffins. It's really good with some vanilla ice cream. I have 3/4 cups of sugar and 1/4 cup of oil. I am using olive oil. You can use canola oil, oil of your choice. So it's a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and I mix the sugar and the oil in. Usually adding wet ingredients first is best, and that's 3 tablespoons of applesauce there. So it's majority first you add your wet ingredients together and then mix, and then you add your baking powder, your cinnamon and nutmeg, and you add your salt. And I actually mixed my baking powder and my baking soda together. I will be sure to put the ingredients list in the description bar. So after I mix it in, I add my dry ingredients, and with this, because there's no eggs, I just mix it until it's combined and I have all the flour mixed in. Then I add my almond, and after I put them in the cups, because it's for the cupcakes, I added some granola on top. And I am going to put them in a preheated oven. It's at 350, and I bake them for 25 minutes or until a toothpick or anything you use to test them comes out clean. So that's what they look like when they're done. This is real quick and easy, and it's ready. You're out of the oven. I just wanted to open one and take it out of the wrapper so you guys can see what it looks like. This one is warm. It's not entirely cool. That's what it looks like inside. And it's absolutely delicious. Nice and soft.